Hi guys, welcome to the official demo of Alurooj POS. In this video, we'll be looking at one of the new features introduced in our recent update, DuitNow integration with Alurooj POS. DuitNow allows your customer to make instant payment using a QR code. It's fast, secure and supported by all major Malaysian banks and e-wallets. First, let's go to the POS screen. Select or scan the product as usual. I will also show you the customer display screen, which is another new feature added in this update. For checkout, simply click on Do It Now button. A QR code will be generated and displayed on both the cashier screen and the customer's display screen. Your customer can then scan the QR using their bank app or e-wallet. Once the customer completes the payment, you will see payment received on both screens. Now let's go back to the List POS page. As you can see, the invoice status shows as paid and the payment method is listed as Do It Now. If you click on Action and View on this invoice, you will also be able to see the transaction number under the Payment Note column. And that's it for today's video. You have just seen how the Do It Now payment button works on the POS screen. In our next video, guide you through the Do It Now QR registration process, and we will also cover how to enable the customer display feature. So stay tuned. I will see you in the next video.